Welcome to today's episode. If you're a developer or someone interested in web applications, you're going to love what we have in store. Today, we're diving into the world of Next.js and exploring a game-changing tool, the NextForge production-grade Turborepo template. So, what exactly is NextForge? Well, think of it as a supercharged boilerplate designed specifically for Next.js applications. It's like receiving a well-organized toolkit right at your doorstep. If you've ever started a web project from scratch, you know that it can be a bit daunting. You have to figure out your project structure, libraries, tools, and configurations, all while trying to stay focused on building your app. NextForge kisses that chaos goodbye. Now let's talk about how you can get started. Picture this. You're ready to kick off a new project, maybe an idea you've been brewing for a while. All you need to do is type one simple command, npx nextforge init, and voila, your project is now scaffolded with the best practices baked right in. But wait, you might be asking, what makes this template stand out? Well, NextForge isn't just about speed. It's also about providing a solid, opinionated foundation. You won't be left wondering if you're making the right choices regarding tools and setups. It gives you everything, from routing to state management solutions. And you might wonder, who is this for? Is it just for experienced developers? Absolutely not. Whether you're a seasoned pro who wants to save time or a newcomer trying to understand the landscape, NextForge helps you focus on what really matters, building your application instead of wrestling with configurations. Now let's step back for a moment. Remember when you first started coding? Perhaps you spent countless hours sifting through documentation or struggling with setup issues. Imagine how much easier it would have been to have NextForge in your toolkit. As we wrap up, let's reflect on some key insights. NextForge makes spinning up a Next.js app efficient and approachable. It's not just a boilerplate, it's a comprehensive starting point that lets you hit the ground running. And who doesn't love a smooth start? So if you're curious about building modern web applications but dread the initial setup, give NextForge a try. It could change the way you develop. And who knows what amazing project you could create next. Thanks for tuning in today. We hope you found this discussion on NextForge insightful. What will you build next? And remember, there's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving world of web development. Catch you in the next episode.